Welcome guys, another little paddle around Freshwater Bay. This time we've gone up the left side. So behind me, that was where the cliff would have once joined up to the Needles, and it joined up to Old Harry Rock, right, going that way. This in front of me is a cave. Obviously there's cracks in the rock there. There's a little cave just over that way over there, just starting to form, it's starting to break through. Okay, so that's becoming an arch, and that's going to arch into this cave over here. Alright, off to the side we have some more caves over there. Okay. Yeah, you can climb in those. Sure, it's all chalk, it's all flint, but look at the way the flint layers are lined. Okay, so we've got flint layers that are going up and over there, and they suddenly change direction as well in the space of about 20 meters. All right. On top, you've got some nice sandstone, some nice shingle, topsoil as well. We can see lots of soil erosion going on up there, and chemical erosion as well. It's just been a very, very, very low tide. We've just done some coast-steering going into this cave, and let's see what we can do. Oh, it's a little bit shallow. Let's have a little look anyway. Just putting in a hanging draw stroke. Oh, that seems to be alright. Yeah, it's cool. Going with a sweep stroke. Bow rudder. Always with the bad bow rudder. Floatless paddle. Sweep stroke on the left, raising the left knee, and then we're just going to paddle out. There we go. And we come then. Now I'm raising the right knee just to go around this right hand corner, around here, around this stack. Alright. Once again, evidence that this cliff did indeed go all the way out to freshwater. Of course, France is just over that way. France is just over that way to the south. Oh, that's a bit better. There we go. Some waves coming in now. Just going to turn around so you can see the stack coming in limpets. Oh, I don't want to get too close. The guys did warn me about that. So pretty much straight in front is a baby seagull sitting on the rock. But if you can see, it's very well camouflaged. Her parents are just up there. The nest is actually up there. It's okay, guys. See you next time.